I leave on Tuesday for Miami.
Fun. Were you scared or no?
No, it's so fun. I want to do it again.
Scared. Very good, baby. Good job.
Great turn this way.
That was fun. Now let's go to the pool and chill.
guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my first ever travel vlog. I'm traveling so much this year and I want to bring you guys with me, so don't forget to thumbs up the video, hit subscribe, and turn those post notifications on if you enjoy these kind of videos. I wanted this video to be more of telling a story through video, not necessarily me telling the story, but for other vlogs I'm more than happy to like talk through them more. I just really wanted this one to be more artistic, I guess, if I can say that. This is the first video in a long time. I have just been so excited to edit and it was so much fun, even though it took me a while. It was so much fun and I feel like I really got to like unleash some creativity in this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. We almost lost the drone like 3 times. We tried to actually fly it off of the hotel balcony and we didn't know the drone couldn't fly that high, and we like put it off of the balcony and we were on the 19th floor and it was wobbling and it's like shaking, about to like hit the ground 19 stories down. I'm like, pull the drone in, and it was like not coming in, not responding. It was so scary. We almost lost it again when we were on the ocean when I was riding the jet ski. That was so scary. Like I kept looking back to see where the drone was, and there were a couple times where it just like went off and started following someone else because we had like the tracker on. It was so scary. So all of the best drone shots were all thanks to Raphael. I love Miami so much. I can't wait to go back, and I may or may not be doing a meet and greet in Miami this year. I know a lot of you guys have asked to have a lot of you guys there, and stay tuned. Thank you for letting me take this week and a half to just relax, be on vacation, and decompress. I didn't know I needed that, but I really just needed a break, and it was amazing. I'm so inspired now. I travel again in a couple of weeks. I'm going to 2 different places out of the country and I'm so excited to bring you guys with me. So let me know what kind of vlogs you want to see, because those will go up on the main channel as well. And I'll be back to filming beauty this week. I'm so excited to film a makeup tutorial this week. You have no idea. And I'm also working on some other really fun stuff this week. So yeah, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, join my A-team, turn those post notifications on if you like videos like this. I will love you forever. And I hope you're having the best day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.